This garden bed in a box was sent to me by VEGEGA to make a video about. This is a paid post, but the only requirement was that I set this garden bed up and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this box up and we'll see what's inside. I got this area over here all leveled out so that I can put the garden bed over there to set it up. Try not to damage anything here by cutting it up, but it looks like it's safe to cut up on the sides there. Alright, so here's the parts here. This will help keep the frame walls together. Alright, so here's what the panels look like. Those are pretty nice. Yeah, looks like they're nice solid metal there. Nice color. Okay, looks like we got all the panels there. These are looks like the corner pieces. So we're gonna have the corner pieces there. So that's what your corner pieces look like. And be careful, this does feel a little bit sharp there. It also comes with the rubber to put on top there to protect you from the sharp part so that the garden bed won't feel sharp. And it comes with a bag of hardware here. And then we got a little book here. A complete guide to start your gardening. Look at that, doesn't that look nice? See that picture there? Here's our tools to get started there. Looks like I got the tools. You want to wear some gloves because like I said, that metal is sharp until you put the rubber seal on top. It's going to be a little bit sharp in there. So I got my gloves out and we'll get out these tools and we'll start putting it together. Okay, here it is. I got it all filled up. I got some strawberries in here. I got some flowers in the middle, and I got some mints over here. In my next video, I'll show you how I put the irrigation in here with the drip line, and then I'll show you how I filled this whole thing up with potting soil and what I put underneath the potting soil so you can save a little bit of money. Because if you fill this whole thing up with potting soil, it can be a little pricey. Yeah, I got it set up with this irrigation timer here. The irrigation line goes down in here underground, and it even goes underneath the walkway here and up in here to the garden bed. So yeah, I got some more videos planned for this garden bed, so go ahead and like and subscribe and watch the rest of my videos.